Welcome to Debbie's Tutorials. Each week, I will be teaching a different subject for you to learn and practice saying. This is the second of many tutorials. In this video, we will learn 10 colors. Let's start.
Red, yellow, blue, green, orange, pink, purple, brown, black, white, grey.
Let's do that again. Repeat after me.
Red, yellow, blue, green, orange, pink, purple, brown, black, white, gray. Let's say that once more. Red, yellow, blue, green, orange, pink, purple, brown, black, white, gray.
I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Practice every day. You know what they say, practice makes perfect. See you in tutorial number 3, where we will learn about family members.